The new version of the straight-six engine developed for the BMW M340i and M340i xDrive sedans produces 382 horsepower and a peak torque of 369 foot-pounds of torque. A 0 to 60 mile per hour time of 4.2 seconds takes this new BMW M performance model into territory previously inhabited by the M cars.
Here it is, the new BMW M340i, the ultimate sports sedan. The 3 Series established and has led the segment of sports sedans and will continue to do so now in its already 7th generation. Over the past 40 years, we have delivered more than 15 million 3 Series cars, almost 3 million in America alone. This makes it the most successful model of the BMW brand and the world's best-selling premium vehicle. It represents the BMW brand like no other car. And it's truly the heart and soul of BMW. All our cars contain the sporty and dynamic genes of the 3. This extraordinary car is a true pioneer of its segment. And to all the BMW fans and also my US journalist friends, I promise you, this new car, especially the M340i, will be the ultimate driving machine again. To achieve this, we have combined our top technologies. Best-in-class aerodynamics with a drag coefficient of 0.23, a significant weight reduction of more than 120 pounds compared to its predecessor. And most importantly, new powertrains with 382 horsepower, with limited slip differential, less fuel consumption, and better driving performance. To sum it up, maximum driving pleasure with maximum efficiency. Like no other brand, BMW stands for forward-looking technology paired with clear emotional design. And this model also represents our new design language. Pure lines and sculptured surfaces. The interior has been completely revised, contemporary and trend-setting, but with BMW's trademark driver orientation. One innovation is our brand new intelligent personal assistant. It brings the digital world into the car as your personal companion. We also offer a wide choice of advanced driving assistance systems that takes the new 3 Series further along the road to automated driving than any of its rivals.